Hello, and welcome back to the Adventure with Ava channel. This trip to Mannum Waterfalls was filmed about a year ago, so it's been a nice trip down memory lane editing this. I've had a lot of fun climbing around and photographing this place over the years, and I knew Ava would love it too. We were lucky enough to be joined by a special guest on this adventure. This is Tyler, my friend and fellow photographer. Check him out on Instagram. Ava fired the first round of the day, and I love her little shadow in the corner of the frame. I'm having a dad moment. She's so small here. I miss this phase. I'm shooting Old Faithful Colour Plus here on the Canon A1, and I just love the smooth contrast and vivid blues. Tyler and I had been wanting to get together for a photo walk for a while, and this was a great way to kill a couple of hours.
I love waterfalls.
Ava was as happy to watch Tyler take photos as she was eating soursop, to be honest.
I love sour tops. Yeah, what now?
I've always been pretty amazed by Ava's courage and composure when it comes to hiking with me. She's come so far since here too. I was pretty casual when taking photos on this morning, but I do love the texture of this rock face and the sky popping in this shot. Early spring in Australia is probably my favourite time of year. I love wattle, and I love the photos I took of this wattle tree. Obviously things have been pretty quiet on this channel. I'm not going to give you any excuses or even say that we're back to regular uploads, but I can promise that more content is coming, and I'm excited to be leaning into my now 3.5-year-old's interest in hiking, camping and exploring while I chase her around with a camera. As always, thank you for watching. Do you want to say thanks for watching the video?
I want it.